You know, sir, enough people are saying me fi let it go, but me nah let it go cause me can't let it go. Me can't let it go. But you know what? I won't do this video in patois. I want to do this video in mostly English so that even those who are not Jamaican can understand what I'm saying. I'll just do it with the uptone patois kind of accent. Alright, listen. Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. This video won't be too long, just me putting these slides on the screen for you to stare at, for you to have a look at. I am mad. I am big mad. I am big mad because Jamaica was robbed. Jamaica was robbed, but they didn't rob us backdoor style. You know when somebody robbed you but nobody saw? So you got robbed in the dark? No, we get robbed under the blouse and skirt street light. We get robbed under the spotlight. We got robbed on national television. We got robbed for the world to see that we got robbed. Yeah, that way. And then, not only that, they added insult to injury by trying to tell us that we were not seeing the right thing. So when all of us was seeing right, them gather up all of us and told all of us that all of us eyesight is not working properly because they have a special camera that tells them different. Come on, man. We're living in 2024. If it's that easy to gather everybody up and drag them in one direction, this looks bad. This look like lamb to the slaughter. I think they could gather everybody up tomorrow and tell them, come this way because it's for your safety, and everybody end up in a concentration camp, wondering, how did we get here? They're about to slaughter us. Me not believing. I am not believing, and I refuse to believe the BS that they are trying to pass. I'm talking about the 100-meter finals at the Paris Olympics. By the way, Paris Olympics is the worst Olympics I've ever seen in all my years of being on Earth and watching the Olympics. But that is to be talked about on a whole other video. I do believe, though, that there was a conspiracy against Jamaica to get that gold medal for the 100 meters. Hell, the US hadn't had it in over 20 years, right? And this Olympics is like they're trying to make history. Okay, but don't steal it that way. And a lot of people are saying, well, if Keshane Thompson wanted to really prove something, he should have given them space. He should have sprinted so fast that the space would be undeniable, like Usain Bolt. Come on, man. It didn't have to be all that. We grew up knowing that when your foot or any part of your body first crossed the line, you are the winner. Keshane's foot crossed the line. They came out and said it's not about the foot. In the Olympics, we don't use the foot, we use the torso. Okay, so we went back and we looked again. We slowed the video down and we looked again. Then we looked at the video in a still pic, them passing the line, and we looked again. Frozen in time, forever, for everybody to see. And what do you see? You see Keshane passing the line, torso, face, hand, knee, foot, all that is over the finish line before Noah gets any body part of his across that line. And they still gave the gold medal away to the United States of America. Now, I said this video wasn't going to be long, and it's not going to be long. All I'm saying is this, right? Noah Lyles. I would be the first one to start a protest. I would be the first one to put this call out there for Noah Lyles to do the right thing, the honorable thing. If that was me, I couldn't live with myself. And somebody said, you know, SouFLo, Noah is not going to be able to be happy and proud with that medal on his neck. He's going to subconsciously or consciously, he's going to have to deal with the guilt, knowing that the proper thing to do was to take that medal off and give a speech. And the speech should go something like this. I, Noah Lyles, in good faith, cannot take this medal knowing that yes, the race was close. It was so close that they at one point said we both ran the same time. If that's the case, then there should have been awarded 2 gold medals in this race. After looking at the still pics of this and seeing frozen in time who crossed the line, you can manipulate moving video, but a still pic is what it is. I can clearly see that Keshane of Jamaica crossed that line before I did, and I have to give him the gold medal. I'll take his silver medal. And the next time we meet on the track, or the next time we meet, we're both young, so we will be around for the next Olympics. If we're both injury free and trained up and ready to go, then we'll put it all on the track again. But damn, Noah is not going to do that. Noah Lyles is built for this moment, as in basking in the spotlight, scraping up all the endorsements and everything else, doing all the interviews, the popularity and the fame that comes with it. He is built for that. That's his ammo. So he's going to be doing just that all the way along the way, right? He won't look and in good faith and good conscience say, I'm doing wrong. This wasn't for me. But you, my audience, I want you to look. And don't be fooled, and don't let anybody fool you or let anybody tell you how to think. You're not a drone. You are a human being. And God created you with intelligence. Use your damn intelligence and don't let other people think for you. Look at the still pic of the 100-meter finals at the Paris Olympics 2024. I'm leaving it right here before you. I chose specifically to do this video without using 10, 15, 20, 30 different pictures and keeping the picture changing and changing and changing, because I wanted you to see one picture. 2 at the most. 3 maybe, but 1 picture. So look at this video as you hear me talking. Look at the red lines that I've placed in line with the finish line on both Noah and Keshane, and decide for yourself at this moment, crossing the line, who won that 100 meters. I'm just going to leave this here for right now. I'll talk to y'all in another video. Big up yourself. Manners and respect to everybody tuning in. And Jamaica, we were robbed, okay? I don't know why the Athletic Federation or whoever it is of Jamaica is not protesting this. I guess sometimes you have to kiss ass to kick ass again, or you have to play up to certain people, or whatever the case may be. The artist, the athlete himself, Keshane, bows out respectfully. Nobody is protesting it. It's just us, the people, who are saying we were robbed. We were robbed. We were robbed, and we saw it. And I don't care what Keshane says. Keshane, you won the race, bro. I don't care what the Jamaica Athletic Association says. We saw it. We won. The gold medal belongs to Jamaica. I don't care what Noah Lyles says. I don't care what the Paris Athletic Olympic Committee says with their camera. I don't care what the U.S. Athletic Association says. We won that 100-meter sprint at the Paris Olympics, and the gold medal in the men's 100 belongs to Jamaica. I'll catch y'all on the next video. I'm out. Peace.